Virtual tour, 18313 Rockland, Cam's Corner area. Great street, great area. One car attached garage. It's got a fenced in backyard. It's got a nice little patio here you can relax on. The house has a nice living room at walking in. And let's look at that here. Nice big roomy. All the floors are redone. So we have all that. And the plugs and switches have been replaced. As you can see here, this is a nice open floor plan. Beautiful floors. New flooring in the kitchen. See, nice big galley kitchen. Refrigerator, dishwasher. And there's a stove here and an oven and a stove. So you can see you have a little breakfast bar right there. Very nice. You have a bathroom here. Shower, tub, vanity. Here's another bedroom. Now you can use this one as a master bedroom if you want, because it's kind of a tandem. It goes into another area. It's still a 3-bedroom. It could be a 4-bedroom with this. But this could be your dining room too. So here's the bedroom. Here's the utility room. So the utility room's right here. New flooring. Just a nice utility room, first floor. And then you have another big room back here that you can use for a master bedroom. So you can see it's a nice big bedroom. It's quiet, secluded. Let's go back here. Since we're here, we'll go back here, and you have a nice deck on the back here. There's central air. And you have a nice, you could do a garden right here. Looks like somebody's already done one, but you have a storage shed back there, fenced in backyard. And it goes all the way up there. You also have a bedroom upstairs here. Let's go upstairs. It's a big one. So let's go upstairs. So you can see how big this bedroom is. It's really a nice, big, deep bedroom. You got a closet. Plugs, plenty of plugs. It's a nice area. So this is the house. It's over in Cam's Corner. So I want to give you a virtual tour. Thanks.